Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the current Python version so you know your baseline. Run Python 3 version. Once done, refresh package lists and apply safe upgrades with sudo apt update and sudo apt y upgrade to avoid conflicts. Next, add the tools needed to manage repositories by installing Software Properties Common. This lets you add third-party PPAs. Make sure to stop any running Python-dependent services before proceeding so package replacement does not break active processes. Now add the Deadsnakes PPA to get newer stable Python builds. Sudo add apt repository PPA, deadsnakes/PPA, then sudo apt update. Once updated, install the desired Python package and useful companion packages like venv and dev headers with sudo apt install y python 3, 10 python 3, 10 venv python 3, 10 dev. After installation, you can either call Python 3, 10 directly or switch the system Python 3 via update alternatives. Prefer using venvs and explicit Python 3, 10 to avoid breaking system tools that finish by creating an isolated environment so your new interpreter doesn't disrupt system packages. Python 3, 10m venv ~venvs/py 310 and activate it. Once activated, upgrade pip and install project dependencies using Python mpip install upgrade pip. Make sure to test scripts inside the venv and run unit tests. If something goes wrong, revert the update alternatives, change or reinstall the original Python 3 package, and check apt logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.